Kung gusto mo ng parang brand yung kotse, dito na kayo sa Darsden Auto Exchange kasi meron ulit tayong bagong arrival. 2025 Toyota Avanza, pwedeng pang family.
Sana ako lang mahal mo gustong tiyakin.
Good morning guys. Meron tayong bagong arrival, 2025 Toyota Avanza E, automatic transmission, pwedeng pang negosyo, pwede rin pang pamilya. Exterior wise, fresh original paint at check nyo yung interior niyan. Naka-plastic pa, parang kakalabas ng kasakasa. At naka-automatic side mirror ka at naka 15 inches alloy wheels at bago ang mga gulong. At sa harap niya, naka-LED headlight ka, may day running light, fog light at napaka-poging grill at tuwang ending. At sa engine niya, may naka 1.5 liter 4-cylinder dual VVTi gasoline engine, automatic transmission, CVT transmission or continuous variable transmission engine. Kaya napaka-smooth na engine yan. Very reliable at very fuel efficient din. Magdala ng scanner mekaniko kasi parang brand nito para ma-assure mo. At sa loob niya, naka-fresh fabric seats ka na, may cup holder, may storage space, infotainment system, climate control, may storage space ulit, automatic transmission, may plus minus at center console. At sa driver side, napaka-fresh ng steering wheel niya, may audio control, analog and digital display with 10,000 kilometers on the clock only. Meron tayong 2 vanity mirrors on both sides, sa passenger side lang pala, at napaka-intact at fresh na headliner. At sa second row seat, talagang napaka-spacious, maluwag ang legroom at headroom, 5'10" yung height ko, may air vents ka, aircon diffuser, climate control, at may armrest ka dito na pwedeng maging upuan para katabi mo yung anak mo. At check nyo to guys, kasi pwede mo tong gawing kama at napaka-spacious niya. Pwede na kayo mag-camping dito. At syempre, may 2 cup holders ka at power outlet on both sides. At sa likod niya, may stock taillights ka, may rear sensor at reverse camera. Sa trunk space, meron ka ditong foldable third row seat, may hidden compartment ka, kompleto ng tools, spare tire and jack, at check yung trunk space. Napaka-spacious niyan. Kaya kung gusto mo ng practical MPV na pwede mo mong family, pwede rin pang business, ito na ang perfect car para sa iyo at parang brand new yung quality niya. For only 895,000 guys, mauuwi mo na to. Open tayo for cash, pwede ng financing natin. Sobrang basic niyan, same day approval tayo at napaka-basic na requirements natin. At syempre, pag cash naman, para ka lang bumili ng candy dito. At syempre guys, we have all over 60 units sa Darsden at lahat yan quality. At syempre, tumawag ka na, i-reserve mo na to kasi baka mauna ka pa. Thank you guys, peace out!